Hello and welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Sabine. We are in the middle of our Intro to Rulerwork course over on Quilt Addicts Anonymous Academy. This is a new website that we've launched, and it has more than 100 quilting tutorials that you can watch. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, and we hope that if you've loved all of the free video tutorials over the years, that you'll give this one a try. So our Intro to Rulerwork course, we did the first week free here on YouTube, and we covered all things straight line quilting with rulers. And for the second week, we covered curves. We did scallops, we did curves inside of half square triangles, curves inside of diamonds, curves inside of 60-degree triangles, and lastly, a show and tell where I show you how I've used these techniques on actual quilts. Now, if you've purchased a ruler kit from us or a quilt kit to test these techniques out on, then we're going to give you a coupon to be able to get this course for free. So you guys can get all the same learning, all the same content that you're used to, but in a really easy to follow format. All you're going to do once you have purchased the course is click on the curriculum tab, and then all of the videos are there for you to watch in order, and it keeps track of your progress. So it's a really great way to be able to take a course at your own pace. The videos will stay live forever, and once you are in the course, you have it forever as well. So check it out, go learn all the things about quilting with curves. And next up, we are also going to be working on quilting with circles and some other shapes like arcs and wavy lines. So we've got lots more coming in this course. It's a really great value for you guys, and go check it out over at academy.quiltaddictsanonymous.com.